Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Bubblegum on Dress to Impress. This is super simple. You do need VIP and one Robux item unfortunately, but well, it's not necessary, but it's just not floor length like the skirts she has on. So let me also just change her so her skin color is more pink, like maybe this pink. Okay, perfect. So to do that, you're just going to put on these items. Let me just remove everything. Select this hair, and I'm just going to color it, let's see, this like pink, but I'm just going to make it like a little bit more to the red side here. And then just add in these bangs. Scared me. Something just scared me. And then for the crown, we're just going to use this from VIP in this yellow color and in this blue color. For the fit, we're going to use this. Actually, we're going to make these sleeves a little bit more puffy, like this one. Then we're going to color it this color here, this pink. Then we're going to select this color here. Just color, and we're going to color it this purple for everything like that. And then for the top, we're just going to use this in matte and use the same pink color here. Oh, and for the skirt, we're going to use this one and skirt only in this pink and in that purple. Then, if you want to make it longer, use this one. Turn off see-through and just color it all the same color as your dress, like this. And that is pretty much it. You can make the hair longer with accessory adjustments, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.